Hi, I'm George Manti, and I want to show you something that I found a lot of fun creating. This is the tutorial that built itself. And yes, it literally did build itself. What you're seeing right now was generated from a single prompt that I entered into Bolt.new. The prompt created this entire tutorial. The tutorial explains the prompting techniques I use to create the tutorial. After you walk through all of the details in the prompt and what makes it work, then you can go to the prompt builder and create your own prompts. Or click on the template library and use one of the pre-built templates. Then copy it to the clipboard or download it as a file and enter it into Bolt.new to create your own tutorial. Check it out at promptwalkthrough.com and try it out for yourself.